Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke oqalayo ukungena leli khasi siyacela ukuba ucofe ibutton usubscribe khona uzohlezi indaba uyithola njengoba zinjalo. Sekuphelile-ke ukuqagela ngoFloyd Shivambu ngoba seligqabukile igoda phakathi kwakhe ne-EFF. Usejoyine umkhonto wesizwe. Emini-ke ngabo-12 kade bebambe isithangabi sabezindaba lapho akade ecacisa khona ukuthi useyishile i-EFF usejoyine umkhonto wesizwe. Mina-ke angingakhulumi kakhulu, awuyizwele yena uFloyd Shivambu ezikhulumela ngokwakhe.
Revolutionary regards and God bless, and the letter is signed off. And just to give clarity so that there is no speculation, I've decided not to renew the membership of the EFF because I will join and participate in Umkhonto Wesizwe party. I am not going to speak here in Winnie Madikizela Mandela House as to what is the basis of that, because that will be tantamount to campaigning already for Umkhonto Wesizwe party. So I'm going to be actively involved in Umkhonto Wesizwe party and shape its direction and the politics that are obtaining today in South Africa. So that is to end the uncertainty or speculations that have been obtaining in terms of what is going to happen.